Hello, hi, Vanakkam, Namaskar, Namaste. Good morning to all. So today we are going to see a place by name called Sri Venkateshwara Swami Temple, or else Dakshina Tirupati, or else Chinna Tirupati of Osur. So this place is exactly located 15 km from Osur towards Krishnagiri, so which is located in National Highway 44. So from Bangalore it is almost like 60 km. In between Bangalore and Chennai National Highway. This temple is dedicated for Lord Venkateshwara. So surrounding you can able to see a beautiful paddy field and also a river flow of Tenpanai or else like Kaveri river. This place is very small, temple is very small but very beautiful. So very less people know about this place. Inside the temple, Lord Venkateshwara idol is there. So where this idol of Lord Venkateshwara, which replicates of Lord idol at Sri Tirumala Tirupati Balaji temple. So in this video you can able to see entrance. So from entrance a car parking is there. You can able to park your car or two-wheeler. From there almost 100 meters of distance, so where you have to walk in your barefoot. So very nicely they have done road or else like footpath. So after going there, so you can enter into a temple, you can do darshana. So timing of this temple is from Sunday to Friday. Temple gets opened at 8 a.m. to till 12 p.m. and again from evening 4 p.m. to till 7 p.m. and on Saturday especially temple gets open at 7:30 a.m. in the early morning till 7 p.m. and special pujas and all are done on Saturday. So because of this lockdown on corona, very recently few kind of restrictions are there. So when you're visiting, kindly do wear mask. So without mask entry is not allowed. So this is the Moolavar Lord Balaji with beautiful alangaram. So very beautiful place, very nice place to get relaxed. So surrounding many acres are occupied with a paddy field. So very small mountain this temple is located. Very nicely this we can visit this place to spend a couple of hours. So as I visited early morning, there was like full of fog, I couldn't able to capture the beautiful scenery, so which we can able to stand and see near the temple. So once after visiting this temple, a down road will go as shown in this video. Just you can take a road, one more road which is downside, and you can reach to this Tenpanai river. You can able to see a beautiful paddy field located surrounding this Tenpanai river. From top of the temple, this entire paddy field is visible. So as we visited early morning, so you can able to see a fog is surrounded by the paddy field. So you can plan for this place to spend a couple of hours for a calm and relaxation. This is one of the very beautiful location in Hosur. Easily you can take your car or else a two-wheeler. You can visit this place on weekend. You can spend couple of hours. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do subscribe this channel. Kindly do like this video. Thanks a lot. Om Namo Narayanaya.